Hi guys, this is Rahul. In this video, we will see how to install Cypress, how to set up Cypress. Okay, so first thing you will need is Visual Code ID and Node.js in your system. To confirm if you have Node.js or not, just open your command prompt and type node space. Okay, so I have Node.js in my system. It is giving me I have this version installed in the system. Okay, now you will need Visual Studio Code, this VS Code. Just open it. Okay, and you can create a folder where you will be storing your test cases. I'm creating this one, Cypress demo. Okay, and open this folder. So we are in the directory where we need to install Cypress. So just open this terminal, and here you have to type npm init. Okay, so this will ask us some values, some like this, the package name. If you don't want to enter anything, you can just hit the enter key and it will take the default value. Okay, as soon as we give all the details, one package.json file is created with all the parameters which are the default values. Okay, once this package.json file is created, we have to install Cypress into our system. So we have to execute npm install Cypress. Just hit enter and it will check all the dependencies and download all the files in your system. Okay, it will take some time depending on your internet speed, maybe 5 minutes. And since we haven't mentioned the version, so it will download the latest version of Cypress available. If you want to install a particular version, you have to specify it, like npm install Cypress at the rate, you have to give the version number, and that version should exist. You cannot just pass a random number. That version should exist. Okay, since it is installing, I'm just going to pause the video, and once it is done, I'll resume it again. So guys, as you can see, Cypress is installed in the system. This node module folder is installed, and the Cypress folder is also created. We will talk about this in detail. Now, just to open Cypress, you can type npx Cypress open, and it will launch the runner, which will contain all the feature files. So this is our Cypress runner, and the theme Cypress has already included some examples, some files which we can see just to check how this works. So if you want to execute any particular file, you have to click on it. If you want to like run your test case in a particular browser, you have to select from here. So suppose I want to execute the uh, assertions file. I just have to click on it and it will launch the browser. It is showing the Chrome version as 69 because I have the 69th version of Chrome installed. Like there are some issues with the latest version of Chrome and Cypress, so I'm using the earlier version. So it is executing our test cases. These are the test cases this should, and these are the test cases, and like you can see it is really fast, and we can see the live execution of the test cases. You can click on the particular test case just to go to the steps, and you can see on that particular step what was the state the page was in. Like if you see, if you click here, you can see that the snapshot of the DOM. So this is how you can run your test cases. Okay, uh, we will see in detail how you can write your test cases, how you can execute them, and we will see the command line, how you can execute your test cases in command line as well. Thank you guys.